on utilization of time means the right use of time. The one who utilize time properly enjoy its wonderful benefit. Vani was a very hard-working girl who utilized her time appropriately, whereas her brother Sonu was very careless and naughty, who used to leave every work for the next day. Now see, my dear friends, what happens with Sonu and Vani when their exams were near.
Hey Vani, you are still studying? Let's have some food.
Yes, you did this project on that. Teacher will scold me if I don't submit it on time. Have you completed your project?
Why so soon? We have to submit it in 6th period. 2 periods are still left. I will finish it quickly. Now come fast. I am feeling hungry. You have to play also.
Sonu and Vani's parents always used to teach us Sonu by giving example of Vani.
Listen, my son, you have to be serious now. Along with game, you should focus on your studies too.
Yes, mom. From tomorrow, definitely.
Sonu, learn from your sister. She studies on time and plays on time. She never leaves today's work for tomorrow.
You see, I will do the same from tomorrow. Can I play now? Please?
Next day.
Your exam will start from next Monday. Study with all your heart and do very well in your exam. Sonu, I am very worried about you, my son.
Oh Dad, still there are 2 days left for exam. I will quickly study everything. Don't worry Dad. Hey Vani, have a look. Weather is so lovely. Come please, let's play for some time.
Yes, weather is so lovely. I have to complete my studies. Tomorrow is our exam. Sonu, hey Sonu, listen by looking at weather. If please, rain is about to come. Power cut may be during night. Stop all your games and come to study now.
Don't worry Vani, it's just afternoon now. I will study during night. Electricity won't go.
Careless Sonu as usual took everything very lightly.
Sonu was very nervous when it started raining.
The whole village was facing power cut problem.
What I will write in exam tomorrow? I haven't studied even a single chapter. And now electricity is also gone.
I told you before, you should study on time. I told you 1 week before also, you should study on time.
Sorry Dad.
At last Sonu realized his mistake.
Crying now is of no use. Now stop crying and come with me. I completed my study on time and will make you understand and remember everything very easily. Come, Sonu.
Next day, both the kids went happily to appear in the exam.
So, friends, utilize every second, every minute, and every hour of the day because time is precious. One who handles pressure by utilizing time properly is surely the winner in future. Thank you.